Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your remote start on your key and then also go over some of the personalized settings in your vehicle. So make sure that the car is locked. Usually lock it about twice. Then hold down the hold button for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll hear it automatically start. Okay, now go over here. 3 things we go over to personalize the settings in your vehicle is Bluetooth, radio presets, and door locks. To show you how to connect your Bluetooth, make sure that your phone is on the Bluetooth menu. Go to phone. Go ahead and press yes to add a phone. Search for the hands-free link on your phone. And allow for your contacts and favorites to sync. Go ahead and just press yes on your priority device settings. This is Honda Link Assist. In case of an accident, it attempts to call emergency services for you. And now your phone is connected. To set up your radio presets, you're going to want to go to audio and make sure you're on FM. All you have to do is press and hold to set the channel. So if you are okay with this radio station, hold it down until you hear the beep. Then it's set. Lastly, to do your door locks, you're going to go to settings. Under vehicle, choose door and window setup. This is to automatically lock your doors. And those are the options you can choose from.